This is an exam application tutorial for cells and microscopes. The question, which is worth 3 marks, is explain how a plant cell maintains its shape. A clearer translation which would help you guide your answer would be explain how the vacuole and the cell wall work together to give a plant cell's shape. So the vacuole is a large space inside the plant cell. If water moves into the vacuole will expand. So here you can see the vacuole is now expanded, having filled with water. This exerts a pressure acting outwards on the cell. So that explains the role of the vacuole. Now the cell wall is a tough outer coating that resists that pressure and pushes back. That gives the cell shape. So for 1 mark, the vacuole fills with water. For 2 marks, this exerts a pressure against the cell wall. For 3 marks, the cell wall resists this pressure to give the cell shape. What I mean by resists, it means the cell wall pushes back.